Alright, so in today's lesson we're going to learn about raising a power to an exponent. It's pretty much called the power to a power property. So what that basically means is we have a base. It has an exponent, so let's say it's A, and there's another exponent outside. So what I'm going to do with these two exponents is that we're going to multiply them up. So it'll say A times B, and that'll give me x to the AB. So kind of like what we did before where we had the same base and then we added the exponent. When we have parentheses and one exponent on the inside and one on the outside, we're going to end up multiplying those. So let's do an example. So we have 2 to the third. And we have a 2 on the outside. What this means is, remember, this means I have 3 2's, but this 2 on the outside is telling me I have 2 of what's inside. So I have 1, 2 of the 2/3. And if we go back to what we learned in the last lesson, if the bases are the same, I put my base, and then I'm going to add my exponents. So I get 3 plus 3, which gives me 2 to the 6. But instead of having to go through, separate them, and then adding them to get the answer, we can take 3 and 2 and do 3 times 2 and give me 2 to the 6. One way or the other, it gives you the same answer. But this is the idea of what we're going to be learning today. So this is going to be our intro. So again, we take our base. We'll have an exponent on the inside of the parentheses and the outside. What this means is that whatever exponent I have outside, I have that many of what's inside. So if this is 2, I have 2 2/3. If I do the multiplication property, I add these guys up and get 2 to the 6. If we do the power to a power, this is a power, this is a power. If we multiply them together, I get the exact same answer. Right? So this is our intro.